Welcome to Google My Maps. In this introductory video, I am going to walk you through the different features that will be covered in the next few lessons. We will take a look at multiple layers, adding images and videos, using the map tools, and importing external data to create a Google My Map. What you see on the screen is a map that I have already created. I have created several different points at ski resorts in different cities and states. There are different layers to this map. There is one layer for Colorado, one layer for California, a layer for driving directions, and another layer on the bottom that is an untitled layer. You can have up to 10 layers on a Google My Map. Let's look at some of the things you can do with a Google My Map. You can use the trackpad on your laptop or a scrolling mouse to scroll in and out of the map. Alternatively, you could use the plus and minus buttons at the bottom right of the screen, which may make scrolling a little easier to control. We can look at each of the different points on a map by clicking on them, and we will see the information that is given at each site, including web links, images, or video. In addition, we can click on the lines between each point where I have put in a short description and image, and it also tells us the distance between the 2 points. Like all items on the map, we can edit or delete them at any time. To close this box, just click on the little X in the upper right hand corner. The blue line shows a Google Map direction path between 2 cities, in this case from San Diego to Brian Head, Utah. You can actually move this line if you want or need to. If you click on the little white dot and drag it, Google will find an alternate route. There are various map tools at the top of the screen. The first 2 are undo and redo. The hand tool, when selected, allows you to drag the entire map with your touchpad or mouse. The Add Marker button does just that, adds a marker where you click on the screen. The next box is the Draw a Line tool, which allows you to add a line or a shape, giving you the ability to find the perimeter or area of a section of the map. There is also a button for adding directions. And the last button is the ruler, which gives you the ability to measure distances between locations or along a path. We will go over each of these tools in a future lesson. At the top of the map is the search option, which allows you to search anywhere in the world and will place a marker at that point. Then you can choose to add it to your Google My Map. We will also take a look at this last untitled layer. As you can see, it has an import button, which will allow you to import a CSV file or spreadsheet that is complete with data and import that directly onto your Google My Map. One more thing to investigate is the base map. There are 9 choices for you to choose from. My 2 favorites are the regular map view and the satellite view. You can choose what works best for your map. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of the layout and basic features of Google My Maps. In the next lesson, I will show you how to create your own Google My Map and add different points to the map.